Zapof Forms provides the table in rows and columns to capture 14 different data types. To add a table element, click the Add Question and Element button on the left toolbar. Type table in search input field and press Enter. Click the Add button on the table spreadsheet card. The new table is an empty table without columns and rows. We are going to add them. But, first we change the text. Click the Enter text and change it to Please choose your orders. Click the pencil button to deactivate the text editing. On the Table Elements toolbar, click the Add Column button and choose Text Data Type. Now, let's change the column label. Click the Enter text at the column header and change it to Description. Click the pencil button to deactivate column's header text editing. We want to make the description column a read-only column. As an editor, you can edit the text in this description column, but the users cannot change the text in this column. Click the Make Column Read-Only button with a lock symbol on the description columns toolbar. If you need to change the column back to the non-read-only column, click the Read-Only button one more time. Let's add a new checkbox column. With the selection is still on the description column, click the Add Column button on the description columns toolbar and choose the checkbox data type. Click the Enter text of the new column and change it to Select.